Okay, you are almost there. Now for the longest algorithm. And the longest algorithm is basically two parts. One of them is that algorithm that we used earlier to just line up the side pieces. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to use that plus the mirror image of it. And it'll start making sense in a second. So I've got all of my corners in the correct locations. The only problem is that they're not in the correct orientations. So I'm going to look for a couple of things here. So what I'm going to look for is what I refer to as the eyes. So if this is the top, the eyes are facing you. That's what I call the eyes right there, when you have two pieces that are facing you. And the eyes can be there, or like this can be the eyes too. Even though that's on the top, I can still do the same algorithm. I'm going to ignore that bottom part, and those two eyes are looking at me. And you're looking for eyes that are the same color. So the green is the eyes, but that doesn't work, okay? But the green definitely works. So what I can do is, if I want to get the green and turn these pieces around so that this whole side, this green side, is complete, I'm going to do this algorithm. I want the eyes to face to my right, okay? So the eyes are facing over here. And then you've got to do all of these steps. You ready? So we're going to do that same algorithm we did earlier. We're going to go right, up, right down, up counterclockwise, right up counterclockwise, right back down again. Okay, now it looks like we made a big fat mess of this, but that's because we're not done yet. So now, you remember how I was holding it here because these are the only two pieces that the faces that move. Now we're going to do the same thing, but on the other side, because we're going to do exactly the same algorithm. It's just going to be the left side this time. So we're going to go left, up twice, left back down, up one more time, left up one more time, and then left back down. And you can see now I've finished the green. The green is completely done. Oh, it's pretty exciting times. Now I only have two pieces left. There's my two pieces. And those are the eyes right there. I can't use that side. I'm going to use this side. So again, the eyes facing to my right. And then all I'm going to do is the same algorithm. Right, up twice, right goes back down, up counterclockwise, right, up counterclockwise, right back down. Then I'm going to do the same on the other side. So I'm holding it right here nice and firm because these are the only two things I'm going to move. And then I've got to go left, up twice, left back down, up, left back up, left back down, and boom, I'm done. Woohoo! The only time that really you get a weird one is like sometimes you have one that's ready to go. It's like it's in the right place and the right orientation, and then everything else is in the right place, but they're in the wrong orientation. So what do you do there? Because you don't have any eyes, right? The eyes are not there. So what you want to do here is you're going to do the same algorithm, but this time the piece that's in the right location and the right spot is going to go on my top left. And then I'm going to use, the yellow is going to be the top. This is the one that's A-OK. And then I'm going to do that same algorithm, the long one. So that's 1/2. Okay. Now I have two opposite corners. I'm going to do it again. And now I've solved one side, and now I have this one, and look, there are my eyes. Now it might be on this side. You might have to turn it this way. It really doesn't matter which side the eyes are on, but again, the eyes are just the two that are the same color. You move those so that they're on the right side, and then you do the same algorithm again. So they're on the right side at the top. Here's my yellow. Boom. Done. Woohoo! Solved the 3x3. You guys can do that, and let me know if you have any questions.